So it's 7 in the morning. I'm getting ready to wrap. It's around 165 is my guess. It's been smoking since 11 o'clock last night. I've got some tallow. I have some cash cow, a little bowl to mix it up. You notice I'm using parchment paper in addition to the foil. Let's see how that goes. It's worked well for me. Look at this. Oh, let's let the smoke clear just for a second. Look how pretty that is. That is a beautiful color. Tip it down here. 178. It's a little hotter than I want, but this is perfect. 165. Now we're going to take it off and wrap it. One little tip, make sure all your folds are above the middle of the brisket, because then the liquid won't leak out. Let's put it back on the smoker, see in about 3 hours. A couple hours, but I'm gonna check it. Oh, that's sliding in really nicely. Now, a little bit tight there. A little tight there. I think I need about another half hour. Let's see, we checked it about a half hour ago. That's perfect. They talk about feel. That's pretty dang good. And you want minimal resistance, okay? I think we got it. Now what we're gonna do, come on over here. And wrap this thing in my wife's favorite pizza. Okay, it's not, it's a throwaway.
No, it's not.
It's not a throwaway?
No.
Into the cooler. Now I can't stress this enough. Some extra towels in there. We're gonna let it sit for about 4 hours. Listen, brisket's gonna still cook, still be slightly rendering. It's gonna get nice and soft. It's gonna take some of those juices that are in the foil back in. And it's the real secret. So get rid of the air. See you guys in about 4 hours.